some back to school hacks using school supplies. They're super useful. And also, special announcement time! I'm so excited to finally announce my merch. Like, it's been such a long time. You guys have been requesting it. I was just kind of waiting for a perfect design to come to my head. So I designed this particular piece myself, which I absolutely love. The surprise is at the back. And I have a bunch of other designs as well on my website, so don't forget to check out my new merch line, and I hope you guys love it. The link is down below, and please guys, show me pictures of you guys wearing it on #Wengie merch, because I am so excited to see you guys wear my designs. So yeah, I've been waiting for so long to tell you guys, but you know, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Let's go. Twinkle! I'm missing my green marker. Where did I leave it again? Oh no, I left the lid off it. I hope it still works. So you can revive a dried out marker with some rubbing alcohol. Just take the end of your marker and use a dropper to drop some rubbing alcohol right onto the colored spongy roll inside. Let it sit for a bit and then it should be completely good again.
I haven't felt this good in a while. You tell me every night we're really fine.
So what do you do if you need to staple some pages but you've run out of staples or just can't find your stapler? Huh? I swear I have like a little leprechaun stealing all my stuff. Anyways, all you need is some scissors or an X-Acto knife and you can quickly and easy bind your pages together. Just make a small cut in the corner of your pages where the staple would normally go and cut all the way through each sheet. Then just fold the corner of your pages and push the corner in through the gap like this. When it's through, just press down tightly to secure it. And that's it, you've bound your pages together without staples. This is best for keeping scrap pages or temporary notes together.
Like a fire that burns so bright.
So did you know you can use a crayon to create your own wax seal? First, just remove the paper wrapping from your crayon, then use a lighter or match to melt your crayon into a liquid blob on the page. Then stick your seal right onto the melted crayon and let it stand until the crayon is cooled down. And that's it! I bought this seal online, but you can try to DIY your own and personalize it, which I think would be super cool. And the best thing about crayon is you can create a wax seal in any color you'd like or even combine it like me.
Open wounds and closing doors.
Yes, my notes are gonna be so pretty this year. Wait, how do you spell dessert again? Gotta hide the evidence. What the? Where did my eraser go? Oh no. Are you serious? It was literally right there. Oh no, what am I gonna do? So apparently you can erase pencil with bread or hot glue sticks. I was pretty dubious about this one, especially the bread. So I put it to the test. Yep, just like I thought, the bread hack was kinda horrible. And it completely ruined my page. Mega fail. Stick to being food, Mr. Bread. So now we're gonna try the hot glue stick. Let's hope we have some better luck here. Wow, it actually works. Definitely could come in handy, I guess, if you have glue, but not an eraser. If that ever happens.
When the sunlight says we won't go to bed till the night is.
So you know when you need to remember that important maths formula or rule or even like your class timetable? Well, you can try this cool hack using clear sticky tape. Just stick your tape onto whatever you want to transfer. Next, cut it out. Dunk your tape into a bowl of water and then slowly and carefully rub off the bits of paper until only the ink remains on the tape. Once all the paper is gone, just dry the tape and then stick it onto the front page of your notebook or whatever you want for easy reference later. This just looks a lot neater than writing it yourself and is also less likely to get messy or fade with time. If you own a pet like my lovely Mia, you're no stranger to pet hair. It literally gets anywhere and everywhere. So if you're out and don't have a lint roller, you can just use some plain tape. I always lose my lint roller anyway, so this hack is one that I use all the time, even at home. If your ballpoint pen has dried out and just doesn't want to write anymore, you might get pretty frustrated. But don't be too quick in ditching your favorite pen, because you should be able to save it as long as there's still ink left. All you need is a hairdryer. Just heat the tip of the pen for a minute or two to loosen the dried ink. Next, shake your pen so that the ink travels down to the nib. And that's it, your pen should be good to go again. This could save your favorite pen from an early grave. When I used to study for tests in school, I was more of a highlighter person than a note writing person, so I'd go through a ton of highlighters. And I never knew this hack back when I was in school, but apparently if you make a mistake with a highlighter, you can erase it with a lemon. Honestly, I didn't believe this hack, but all you need to do is take a Q-tip and wet it with lemon juice. And then just run it over your highlighter and it actually disappears. It looks like magic, right? That's so cool. If you are mind blown like this as much as me, make sure you hit that like button and the notification bell for more awesome stuff in the future. So anyways, this hack actually works, but keep in mind it might not work on every type of highlighter or even every color. So try it out for yourself and let me know which ones worked for you and which ones didn't work. For me, I found the best results using the yellow Sharpie highlighter. I actually hardly ever carried around a compass during school, but did you know that you can make a compass out of paper clips? It's super simple. Just hook two paper clips together and use one pencil to hold down one end and the other to draw a circle. By changing the number of paper clips you use, you can create circles with different diameters. You can even bend the clips further if the circle size isn't quite right. Lunchtime. I wonder what I have today. Ew, what? It all looks so healthy. Next time when you're packing your lunch, try using your drink thermos to pack some hot food. I put some roast vegetables inside mine, but you can even put things like spaghetti, soup, or even some chicken nuggets if you're having a cheat day. It's just nice to have a change once in a while, and a hot lunch is perfect on a cold day. I know food thermos exists, but I like my things to be multifunctional. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed these hacks using school supplies, and let me know which one was your favorite. Some of these were so mind-blowing, like literally the highlighter lemon one. Yeah, that was like life. Don't forget to check out my merch as well down below. I have linked it. Grab your own unicorn sweater. I am in love, guys. And also don't forget to check out my first single, Cake, which is on my music channel. Also linked down below.
I remember you were here with me. I forget it all so easily. That's the icing on the cake.
Until next week, I'm gonna miss you guys so much, and I'll see you guys then. Bye guys. Love you. Love you. Love you. Love you. Love. Okay, bye-bye.